Paano mag-transfer ng money from GCash to Card Bank? I-open ang ating GCash account at mag-login. Click Transfer. Hanapin sa mga list ng bank ang Card Bank Inc. I-click po ito. I-input ang details, so amount to be sent, for example, 500. Then, enter the account name. I-input ang 16-digit account number. Yes po, 16-digit po ang account number sa Card Bank. Click Send Money. Meron pong 15 pesos per transaction ang GCash to Card Bank. I-check ang I confirm that the details are correct. And then, magsasend po ang GCash ng 6-digit authentication code sa ating registered mobile number sa GCash. Enter the 6-digit authentication code and click Submit. So, eto na po, lalabas na po, your bank transfer is being processed. Screenshot nyo na lang po ito. Real time naman po ang pag-transfer ng money from GCash to Card Bank. Thank you po. For my next content, I will be showing to you kung paano naman mag-transfer ng pera from Card Bank to GCash or to another local bank. Thank you po.